Okay.
Sure. You can go ahead, Jarek. Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. So, one of our problem in our website is the SQL processes of from the user table is the one that that has the highest load. So I'm thinking one of the reason is because of the registration and login. Is it possible to like add a reCAPTCHA on the login and registration forms?
Yeah. So let me ask you: are you already using Listing Pro on your website?
Yes.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. I see. So this is this live?
It's live.
I'm
Why don't you
sorry.
give a URL on the chat and then let him look at it also?
Yeah, or I can go ahead, share, make you a co-host, and you can share your screen. And if you are comfortable sharing the
no problem.
website, and you can show what's going on, that way it will be. I'll pull it up as well here. But you can go ahead, share your screen if that's okay, or you want me to share the screen, you can do the same. But you will have the login and everything to the website if you wanted to show me.
Okay. Wait, still loading.
And how long have you guys been using Listing Pro?
6 months. About 6
I think
months.
since July, August last year.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, yes, can see.
Okay.
I think it's yeah. Yes, I can see your screen now.
Okay. So I'll log out first. Yeah, because currently there's no reCAPTCHA here, and I can't find option on the admin side to add a reCAPTCHA on the sign up or login. Yeah.
Hi, Sam, are you there?
Some are you are on mute.
Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. So can you go to theme options?
Okay, there's no reCAPTCHA on our side A. Your team doesn't provide that.
Yeah. Options. Yeah. Go to theme options. Backend. Go to backend theme options.
Okay, let me log in again. Wait.
Sam,
Yes.
if let's say this recording, right, since that is only kind of like exclusive for now, before other people join in, will you be able to share with us the video recording later on if we were to provide you with email address?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, we can definitely share.
Thank you.
So yeah, no problem. So I'm
Wait, I'm still loading the admin page.
go to Teams actually, in the backend Teams, under Appearance.
Okay.
Teams.
Appearance Teams.
Teams, yeah.
Or Sam, do you want us to pass you the control?
No, that's oh, you mean that's okay. That's okay. You can walk it through right now. So you have child theme, okay, active. Fine, no problem. Go to theme option now. Go to theme option.
Then
Theme option. There should be form reCAPTCHA.
Mm. So there's the form we captured there. There's one there.
Let's see. Okay.
It's off now.
Yeah, turn it on. And
Thay đổi mẹ
user
ada.
registration. Okay. Got it. Yeah, so here you can turn on.
Okay, I see.
Yeah, you can turn on all the.
So I'll just add the
reCAPTCHAs.
key here and then
So Janet, you
okay.
know what I mean?
Mm,
Janet, you know what I mean already? Go
yeah,
direct.
correct. Yes, you don't have to write script. And you can just
Yeah.
have this automatically.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
there, whatever you want to turn on, just make sure listing submit, listing lead form, there's review form, there's multiple, like everything. I mean, pretty much all the forms you can add it.
Okay. Okay.
Save it, Jerry. Let's save it. Yeah.
Okay, let me add first the
And
site.
then Janet, you log on and see whether it work or not.
Yeah,
Mm.
you'll need the reCAPTCHA key. Actually won't work, right? It will show up until you enter the reCAPTCHA. It's not difficult, easily generate one, right? From Google.
Yeah, okay. Let me generate the key.
Sam, can I just ask, if let's say we have actually created a form ourselves, a custom form, so can we add it here to also apply the reCAPTCHA automatically?
Which custom form are you referring to?
If let's say, because there are some forms that is actually, I think, provided by the team itself, right? So if assuming we have redesigned our custom form, how can we add it here so that it form part of, we can just add in our custom form here and don't have to reset the command again to include a reCAPTCHA.
No, actually, yeah, I mean, if it's not part of the forms that Listing Pro provides, then if it's a custom code, if it's like some sort of custom third-party plugin or some other custom form that you're creating outside of the form builders that Listing Pro offers, then of course that reCAPTCHA will be handled separately. I mean, you will have to manually insert CAPTCHA, or if you're using any other third party. For example, the contact form on the what you call contact us page. There's a separate contact form you can use. If you go to the theme option, under the theme option, if you select contact page.
Okay, so what he meant by that, Janet, is that contact form 7, you go to contact form 7, you form already. You need to go contact form 7 and do a captcha.
Okay, so we cannot pull that code
No, not
here.
here.
Okay,
Not here.
understand.
Third party.
Third
So
party cannot.
Yeah. So third party you don't use here. You use on the contact form inside and put the captcha there. That one
Okay,
Jerry know how to do.
understand. Yeah, that
Jerry
one we
will-
already have. It's just that I thought we can just pull the code here,
No,
create another, so cannot. Okay.
No, cannot.
You mean under theme options, you want to give an option like these options you see, you want to add another one below it, something like that?
Yeah, correct. So that we have a common control that these are the things we want to turn on or turn off to include the reCAPTCHA.
You might be able to
than...
do it. It's just it will be some custom code.
Okay. I'm just asking. Yeah. Okay. Thanks.
Okay, we have only half an hour. Let's speed, because otherwise, I cannot finish all the issue.
Yeah, sure. You can ask the other questions you may have. Yeah.
I tried
So if you may share this video. Okay.
I tried the form, but the captcha didn't show.
Sorry, you have the
You refresh?
captcha.
Yeah, refresh.
What about it seems go back, you might this is yeah, this is our form, right? You're not, yeah, I think this is our
Yeah.
form. Okay, go to theme options, I mean backend again.
Okay.
You're using WP Rocket.
Yeah.
Yeah, you need to purge cache, clear cache.
Oh. Okay. Okay. I see.
Remove all the cache. No subscription.
I think for the CDN.
Okay.
Okay, clear
If
already.
you just, I think, just mouse over on WP Rocket on the top, maybe it should give you an option to clear. It shouldn't be that difficult. Right? Go to, well, WP Rocket on the top. Try that.
Okay. 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 I think we need to clear also on Cloudflare, right? Cloudflare. Let me check again.
Yeah, you can go ahead if you can. Yeah, just try. Just refresh and see if it doesn't work. Then clear any CDN or anything else you might have.
Okay.
Nothing yet.
Oh, but I see something shown here.
Mm.
I think it's this one. Yeah.
Mm. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Mm. Okay. Next. Yeah. What is next on your list?
Okay.
Oh, the
It's showing
search.
up in the sign up form too. Is it showing up on the
Uh,
sign up form?
it's actually shown on the at the bottom of the page.
Yeah, that's just yeah, that's just the captcha seal. But if is
The
it
form you have
showing
also,
on
right?
The form should have also. I think it's okay already when it's showing at the bottom.
Mm.
Yeah.
So I think you can set the form also, like you know, how many bridge, how many road, or things like that. I think they have that option also inside their capture.
Yeah.
you wanna the sign up form was turned on in the theme options.
Yeah.
Mm.
Just listing submission. Yeah, I think it works a little differently. It might not show up every time, I believe. It would prompt maybe only when it sees some sort of suspicious activity, I believe.
Mm.
Uh, yeah, you can check if it's not showing up for any reason. Yeah, I'll try clearing the CDN as well. If you said
Okay.
something about Cloudflare, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, try clear as well.
Okay. It didn't show on the form, but it shows at the bottom of the page because previously this one is not here.
Okay,
So
give me 1 second. Let me check with my team. Give me a second. While you pull up, if there's any other question you might have,
okay.
let me ask someone really quick.
Hey, Santa got search color. What on the what is next? What you want to bring up the next one?
The search for the search. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm here. You can go ahead. See if we have anybody else. If you don't mind me asking, before listing Pro, were you guys using some custom solution or any other WordPress product?
You mean like before Listing Pro if we are using different theme?
Yeah, yeah. I was just curious. What were you using before listing Pro?
Uh
Drupal.
before yeah,
Janet said Drupal. Okay.
yeah, Drupal.
Oh, okay. Yeah, Drupal is interesting. Yeah. Yeah. So, yeah, I'm actually waiting for a response
Let's go to the
from
next
my
one then. Jerry, let's
Okay.
go to the next one.
Okay.
back to me. Sorry. What was
Hello.
that?
Uh hello Sam. For the
Yeah.
search, is it
Yeah.
possible to hello?
Yes,
Can you hear me,
I'm
Sam?
listening. I'm listening.
Okay. Is it possible to
Yes, I
search?
can hear you.
Is it possible to search by different custom fields, not just the title?
Jerry, we lost him already.
Oh,
Okay, he's back.
It's good to have this type of meeting,
Mm.
你唔使激氣啊。
Mm. Sam, are you
hello,
back,
Sam.
Sam?
Been a kick out for. Go ahead. Oh yeah. Here, Derek, you were asking me about the search.
So Jerry, why don't you tell them our problem, the search, and let him tell us exactly what needs to be done first. Where's our search problem?
Previously, our search problem is it's not searching by the other taxonomy, like the brands and what's the other one? The products, the keyword product services, but I was able to fix it already. So I want to ask Sam if it's possible to add search by different custom fields. Like for example, we added the custom fields on the listing. Is it possible to search by it?
Search by custom fields. Mm, believe- no, the custom are part of the filter. As far as let me just double check, but yeah, you won't be able to uh yeah, you won't be able to search by custom fields. It's part of the filter. So yeah, so we kind of separated the search and the filter, right? So the search has search by keywords or tags, category, as well as what you call, give me a second, keywords, a second, yeah, keyword, by title as well. You can search by title.
Typo.
You can search by keyword, title, listing
Title.
name. Yeah, title, listing name, or title, keyword, and categories. Or you can search keywords in different categories as well.
Mm.
You can
So
associate tags in with the categories, and yeah. Go ahead. What was the question?
currently it's not possible currently, right?
Not by custom fields. No, custom fields are only when you are in the search, in the filter. In the filter, you can narrow down your search with the custom fields. Yes, and even features. Features also you can narrow down the filter
Mm.
using the features and the custom fields.
How about, for example, adding we are adding a marketplace, like a e-commerce page on this one. So
Okay.
is it possible to add the products also for WooCommerce? Search by products,
No, this search you cannot use this for
WooCommerce.
some other third-party WooCommerce that you might be using. I don't know. You're using WooCommerce, right? So yeah, WooCommerce search will be separate. You won't be able to use the same search because this is a directory search, right? So you might be able to do some custom, I believe, some customization to the search and pull that data, but that won't be something out of the box.
I see.
Uh, I see there is Elisa with us. Is there Elisa part of your team, Jarek?
No.
Or
No.
oh, okay. Hey, hi, Elisa. Welcome. If you can hear us, we
Hi.
are just hi. Thanks
Yeah.
for joining the
Hi.
session today. Hi.
Yeah, I attended the session a while ago, a few months ago, and
Oh, okay.
I'm still wandering around to understand what I need to do next. So I had a few
Oh,
questions.
okay.
So I thought to
Welcome.
join.
Welcome to the session.
Thanks.
Sure. We actually we have a team from Yellow Pages Singapore. So I was just trying to help answer a few questions, and I'll take a few of your questions when you're ready. Uh, uh, sure. Thanks. And if you have a website that you already created that you're working on, you can drop it in the chat, and we'll take a look in a bit. Let me just
Yeah.
wrap up few of the questions, Jarek. has,
Yeah,
and
so
then
my main question are few. So once, like if I buy the pro listings, is it like the installation something that I can easily do by myself, or do I need support? And I have a website.
yeah,
And
you
essentially,
can. Sure. Go
I,
ahead.
I have a website, and essentially the directory should be integrated in the website. So I'm not sure how that's gonna work, because it's not just gonna be a directory. I already have a website that needs to be kept, and then I need to add the directory to the website.
Okay, Elisa, let me help you answer all your questions. Just hang in there. I'm just wrapping up with Jarek, and then
Yeah.
I'll take your call, take your questions. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I appreciate. So yeah, Jarek, sorry, what was your question again? About so we talked about the WooCommerce. So WooCommerce is not possible. Was there I mean, unless you customize it, or have our team customize it for you guys. Until
Uh,
then, yeah, it won't be just the search, the keyword, the products will not show up from WooCommerce.
okay.
So why don't you let him see the structure of how we do our search in our category? How come our category, sometimes the search comes up, sometimes the search doesn't come up on our category?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, sometimes when we type something, it's not showing. The suggestion drop down is not showing sometimes.
The suggestion drop down is not showing up. Okay,
Yes,
so
sometimes.
is it because, like I said, if the search suggestions will work if you have a keyword that already exists, or if it's a tag that already has associated with business listing, or or it's associated with a category. If it's not, then it will not show up. So are you sure those keywords or categories that you're searching already there?
So where
Yeah.
do we find this? Back end, where do you find this? Where do you find those lists of keyword and tag? How do you find that?
So yeah, that will be just in the backend. If you go to um, your backend, go to the backend, WordPress backend.
Okay, wait.
And go to the listings on the tab. Listings, yeah, and then here categories. So if you go down, yeah, so these are all the categories, but if you see the count says 2 and the rest says 0, 0. On the right it says 0, 0, then the one says 2, 1. Those are the listings associated to those businesses, to those categories. So I guess yeah, so if there is no listing associated to that category, I believe that category will not show up as well. You can try that. Let's say, for example, if you search for fishing supplies, go back, search for fishing supplies, or just you can type in fishing. Doesn't have to be the whole thing.
Go back to your main site, Jerry.
Yeah, just type in fishing. still searching.
Is it typically take that long to search?
Yeah, so fishing supplies, it shows right there. Well, it depends. I mean, there are a lot of factors. It depends. Yeah, sometimes it takes a while, but you know, if you feel like it's taking a while, I mean, you know, there's a lot of factors. How your site is optimized, what server you're hosting. I'm sure it's a good server. I'm not saying it's not, but yeah, I mean, you know, if you feel that there is if it's taking
Okay, Sam, the
quite
issue
some
is that it's consistent or is that long? It's not
sorry?
once in a while. It is a consistent that long. Even our customers are complaining.
Also on mobile
Mm.
mobile page.
It's taking too long to load a query, all right? And it is not just occasionally long, but it's happen most of the time.
I see. I
Mm.
see. Yeah, I would if it's happening, I would consider. I mean, you know, have you had this conversation with any of our support team as well? Did
Not yet,
this
not yet.
issue was
Not yet, not yet.
okay?
We are desperate of the issues. Okay, that's why we, you know, it's very late in Asia here. That's why we want to make sure we settle this because of our numerous customer complaint. It's not just one, you know,
Yes.
it's almost all the customers are complaining.
So Sam, would you be able to direct us to talk to your technical directly?
Well, we have support team, so they will just basically you can open a ticket. But I mean, this could be this could require if it's a consistent problem, maybe we can maybe you can talk to our expert. So let's search for something else. Let's see what else going on. If you search for something else, let's see.
Eric, you
Give
want to
me
try compression spring? The one that Sally brought
be
up,
right back.
compression spring.
Right, give me a second. I'll be right back. I'm going to be right back. Give me one.
What other search problem do we have?
Yeah, when we key
Uh,
enter the search button, right?
Like
Yeah,
I can
usually you
Why
just
more?
enter, you usually end up with no results.
Better make it
Right.
fast. Mm.
Right now it's still loading for the compression spring.
一陣間嗬，問佢嗬，佢有冇 if we want them the technical people
Okay.
to
Yeah,
support us,
I'm back. Yes, I'm back. Yeah.
Okay, it's still
So
searching though. You see, it's still searching.
Yes,
yeah.
sometimes it's like
Okay.
this.
Yeah, what I would suggest is we do offer these I mean there's a couple of things we can do about this. One, I would highly recommend to open a ticket with our team and see if they can, you know, just, you know, you should all, I mean, you might already have a support active support and have our team look at it. The other option is we do offer more like one-on-one consultation where you can schedule a call. One of our senior
Okay.
expert will review, and then if it requires some sort of optimization or customization based on your need, we will advise you. I mean, you know, at this point I don't exactly, I mean, you know, this will take you know, a lot of I mean, we'll have to see how your website is structured, and you know, it will take a lot of time. So it's best to just start with opening a ticket, I would suggest. And then if you are not getting much help, or they, I mean, you know, of course, through the help desk, they can only help you, you know, to an extent. But if you know, we need more of an expert look at it, then we'll have to, you know, go for our consultation service and see if we can help you from there.
Okay, we'll take that. Okay. So we're having a lot of issue with the search. We're not so sure it, you know, is it a team issue? So we want you to look at our search setup. You know, you have a search setup. When do you look at the search setup? Did we set up correctly now? Because it's taking too long to load and too many issues. And the search sometimes comes up, sometimes doesn't come up, and sometimes it disappeared.
Is it this one?
Okay.
Team option
Yeah.
search.
Yeah, but you can, one thing you can do is go down on the search, go scroll down, exclude listing title form from title suggestion in yeah, turn this, is this turned on or off right now?
Off.
Yeah,
Off.
just turn it on, save, try. Yeah, I would clear the cache and then try one more time, see if you see difference.
Cái này明我講咩冇？因為個 team 已經搞掂晒呢啲嘢嘅，咁佢嗰個寫曲佢就 override 好多嘢咯。
Okay.
Then go to the site and do a search.
Yeah, by the way, I just got confirmation that with the CAPTCHA, with the reCAPTCHA on the sign up form or other, there won't be any additional, what you call, select this image or any other option popping up. Like previously, it was only part of version 2, where you had to select different images or enter a number or something like that, right? So that won't happen now with version 3.0. Only that seal that you see on the bottom right, that is sufficient to indicate that
Okay.
it is currently active.
Okay, yeah, okay.
So have you seen anything different from previous search?
You can't click on it, right?
All right.
Search.
You cannot click on it.
After clicking, it didn't show. It
No,
didn't do
no,
anything.
you'll have to hit search. It won't just take you. You select and then you hit search.
Under what circumstances we hit the search?
Yeah.
Is it a must that we have to click the search button? Is it a must?
Yeah. Yeah, it is. It is must. That's as far as.
What do you think? So it come up. So what was the issue with compression screen?
Previously it doesn't come up. This one doesn't come up, right, Janet?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It doesn't come up. When it's already a tag, there's a tag that's actually provided, but it doesn't come up.
So
But we have to actually press, but it doesn't come out in the search suggestion drop down list, right?
Now it comes out, yeah. Just now it comes out, yeah.
Let me try on my end.
But the title on top didn't for example, product and services, brands, categories. It's not showing now.
Yeah, correct. It's not showing the brands and the suggested drop down list.
So that I think that's the option. That's what the settings that we exclude the title from the title of the item.
Yeah,
So
you can try. Yeah, you can like try turning it on, off, back. I mean, it's turned on right now. The exclude option. Turn it on and see if you see there's a difference with the speed, and just play around with it. And if you do see that consistently, it's very slow. Go ahead, have the support team look at it, and there are a lot of factors right now. I see. I mean, I'm sure you guys are using a lot of plugins to optimize, and then if you're using the WP Rocket, we'll have to see. I mean, you'll have to actually check the settings, because once you start using some sort of cache, and you're using what you call CDN, these are some also factors that will affect your speed. So some of the settings might, of course, speed up things like page load time, but things like search might get affected because it's trying to pull up data, and some of the data, because a lot of this content is dynamic content. So it's heavily, these are what you call dynamic content websites, right? So it's a bit tricky when you use these extra plugins to optimize it. Yeah, so I would say yeah, I mean, if you see this kind of pattern, open a ticket, and then if that doesn't get you far enough, then we'll have a one-on-one consultation call, and then we'll take it from there.
okay.
Yeah,
So,
we'll try to. Yeah.
Okay, so Sam, let me ask you another question. Okay, so the search one, any other search issue?
Jerry, you see here, right? The suggested bar is especially on SERP, right? The sidebar itself, how can we actually change the color? You remember
This
I
one?
asked that question? No. Like the search bar, when you have a suggestion list, when you have a very long list, the sidebar itself, you're supposed to have this toggle, right? It's not in solid color. How can we change that?
The scroll. Okay, wait.
Yeah, the scroll, yes.
Yeah.
See, you can't see it.
There's no scroll here.
Yeah. And when we see it on tablet, right, it's very tiny. We can't even see the scrolling.
So, Sam, we have another question for you. Another issue that we face is on mobility. Okay, the site is very bad. Sam?
Sorry about that. Yeah. So you said the site is bad on the mobile, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Is that yeah?
Can
So
you,
we don't know. Yeah. So does your site work with Elementor?
Okay. What do you like? Can you elaborate a little bit more? What you mean? Like it's bad? Is it slow? Is it what's going on?
The responsiveness is not there.
Okay.
Mobile responsiveness is not there. One thing.
Okay.
Two is that the spaces layout is bad, and it just don't look nice on the mobile.
Okay.
The UX and
hear
UI
you.
are very bad. Yeah, something like that. We may have done some customization, but we're wondering, that is it the teams have been designed like that? And of course, does your team work with Elementor? Work well with Elementor?
Yeah, so what you do is if you go to theme options again, there are a few options you can try. We give a few different mobile options. I think you guys are using the default one. Go to listings. Go to listings under theme option. No, that's fine. Yeah, right there, listings. I know that it's under here. Hold on. Mobile, not here. Go to. Give me a second.
Access activating from here, no, Jerry. I mean,
access the essence, yeah.
Give me a second. Do you see anything? Okay, under general,
Mm.
Do you see mobile? If not, yeah, right there, mobile view. So right now you are on more responsive view. There are two other options. Try app view 1 and app view 2 to see which one suits best. But remember, as you have made changes, I believe. I don't know. I mean, you can try it out and see for some time and see which one maybe works best for you. Those are those are advanced responsive settings. I mean,
Mhm.
we created two styles to give like mobile app experience. Like it's, I mean,
Need
in
that,
the
yeah.
browser, itself, we try to give like a mobile experience. You know, it's
So it's like for example, the up view is a different color, different font. Is it something like
no,
that?
it will try to adapt your as far as I remember, it will adapt your theme. And
Okay.
you can also create a custom homepage. What you can do is create a homepage, call it like mobile or something like that,
Oh.
and then you can basically just show like maybe right now the homepage might not be the mobile homepage is showing the same things that are showing on your desktop homepage, but you don't want that on mobile. You want limited items on the homepage. You don't want everything to show up, right? Because the page load time. So you can create a custom mobile homepage is different from your regular homepage. So with the app view, you can do that. App view. I don't think with the responsive,
Good choice. Good choice. Yes.
you can yeah, you can yeah, try that. Those two options. That should help you.
Mm.
Um,
Uh,
I'm thinking to try it on the staging first.
Okay. I think good choice.
make sure you, okay, that's good. You have a staging site. Make sure you clear the cache if you don't have. Give me a second. I'll be right back. And if Jared, while you do this, while you test, is it okay if I take some questions from Elisa?
Sure.
Okay, sure.
Sure. Elisa, yeah, just give me 1 second, Elisa. I'll be right back, and you can be ready with your questions, and then we can go over.
所以你睇下個 difference 嗬，你 talk directly 嗬，好多嘢嗬會搞掂晒，好多嘢搞掂晒，所以你即刻入 support，straight away 唔該即刻入
Yeah,
support。
I saw the support in the listing pro site already. And you also ask for one consultation.
Correct，唔好再等啦，唔好再等。所以我早下我哋應該 take 呢個 step，唔好等佢哋做咁耐。we take step，唔好再等佢哋幾個嘢，唔係我哋啲生意啊越嚟越冇咯。所以 directly 啦 approach them and ignore them already. You know, they want to do they do because whatever they do is doesn't work. I'm checking the backlink. You know, they didn't remove everything. Right. So I just finished. So I'm gonna upload. You know, and I'm analyzing your redirect. What's the issue?
Yeah, you saw the screenshot I have from GA, right?
Yeah, I can't tell. I have to go look at it. I have to run and
Very
report.
funny. I don't know why there's a /home at the back. I cannot understand.
I need to look at it first. I can't answer you. Yeah. You know, just now you called me time I was taking a break. Okay, I'm going to mute myself because.
Thank you. Hey, Elisa. So you can unmute and we can go ahead, go over your questions if you're still around. Okay, good.
Yeah. Hi.
Yeah, Elisa, thanks for your patience. So basically, your first questions, if I remember, was about installation. So installation is pretty straightforward. If you have installed WordPress before, you can, you know, it's pretty straightforward. You install WordPress and you upload the theme file, and it will walk you through.
Yeah, I already have the website, so I guess the directory will be integrated in the website.
Do you have it live already? You have the link and everything? We can have a look. Yeah. Is it okay if you share it with us in the group here so I can take a look what's going on?
Yeah, I put it in the chat.
Sure. Yeah. Let me.
I mean, I don't know if it's gonna be clickable or.
Yeah. That's okay. I got it. I'm gonna share my screen so you guys can uh, share. Okay. Stop sharing this. Um, okay. Yeah. So I see this is your website.
Yeah.
So
So
okay.
essentially, at the moment, there is a section where is coaching, and I will
Okay.
build with at the bottom and down. Yeah, further down. So is essentially this is it was just built up with what is it? Woo shopping, I think.
Okay.
And I want to switch that off, and I would like to have the directory, but I don't
I
know how
see.
that would fit.
Okay. So this is already WordPress. Okay. So that's good. You want a directory. I would suggest to do it under a folder or a subdomain. Uh, I wouldn't recommend because this is your main site, and
Mhm.
the best. I mean, is there like do you have to use the same user data with the directory as well? The users who sign up on this website should also be using the directory to log in. Is that how you want it, or doesn't matter? Can you keep it separate?
Well, I wanted to have the idea was to get the traffic all in once.
Okay,
I'm not sure how it would work if it become a
subdomain or a
subdomain.
subfolder. It could be subfolder as well. Like you have coaches. I mean, is coaching under coaching. I see for like // coaching. Is that where you want the directory to show?
Yeah,
Or okay, yeah. So
or
what you
coaching
can.
could be page and then yeah.
Okay. Um, I mean, it's not that you cannot install on this existing one. That's fine. I mean, that's okay as well. As you can see earlier, yellow pages, they also. I mean, even though their homepage is as directory, they are also running other stuff. I believe like WooCommerce and whatnot. So you can kind of have that mix, sort of, but just to keep it clean, and if there's some issues, it's easier. It's always easier to troubleshoot if you have it separate. But what you can also do is, I'm not sure exactly how you can do it, but I know there's a way you can use the same user base or the user data, and even if it's under separate domain or separate under subdomain or subfolder, you might be able to use the users, connect the users from your other database to this database.
Mhm.
There is some advanced technical possibility, I mean, options available, but it's I mean, if you want to keep it simple, I would say just you can install it uh, under the same thing without having a
Mhm.
subdomain or sub folder.
Mhm.
But it depends on what you are trying to do. If it's just going to be like a simple directory, you just wanted to add like how many users or how many coaches do you anticipate to have, let's say maybe in a couple of years or so? Is it going to be a lot?
Well,
Or
ideally, yes.
okay, that's the goal. Okay, so yeah, I would yeah, and so what is so these coaches, like when they go to the website, what kind of information? Just simple, their photos, their contact information, right? Just
Yeah,
basic.
like a description, maybe. Well, I don't know if it would be possible to have a video as well.
Yeah,
And
absolutely.
then to be able to book their services.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I see. So are you planning to uh have them charge a consultation fee through your platform, and you're going to take a commission, or is it just give
Yeah,
information?
yeah,
Oh,
yeah. And yes, that I take a commission on the bookings.
okay, I see. So now, so that gets a little tricky, right? So I mean, obviously you can do that. It's just of course it involves a bit more than just listing. So we do have an option for, if you want to book meetings and stuff, there is a separate add-on that we offer. I don't know if you
Mhm.
had a chance to look at it. It's called Medical Pro.
Yeah, I've
So
seen that.
oh, okay, yeah. So Medical Pro will, of course, you'll need Listing Pro, and then install Medical Pro on top of it, and then only
Mhm.
you can uh start charging users. And I mean, these coaches can start charging their clients, and you can set a commission and all that stuff. So that's possible. So I would recommend, honestly, Lisa, to consider having a separate folder, because yeah, and separate subdomain or separate folder, because I see, not maybe not immediately, but down the road, when you have a lot of users and stuff, you might need to optimize and do a lot of other stuff, and that could be a problem. You might run into issues,
Mhm.
and you might not know what the issue is. Either is it with the your website, or is it with your,
Mhm.
well, directory. So here you just have a blog and about us blog, and what else do you run other than the website homepage and the directory? Do you have anything else planned?
Well, yeah, there is a career changes awards that we have voting, but that's done already. And then, I mean, I'm exploring different directories ideas. So this is one. And the other
Okay.
one, but I don't know what option you have. So I would like something similar to Glassdoor.
Oh, like a job board.
Yeah, so I want companies to claim their own profiles. And then I don't know if it would be possible if you have anything for, I mean, I would like a user to register and to create their own profile as well, but I don't know how that works. I'm just exploring.
Yeah, I would yeah, I would suggest, yeah, keeping it separate. But if you next week also, Tim's going to be here. Actually, Tim, if you remember, Tim is the guy who usually hosts these webinars. So
Mhm.
he might also be able to advise you, because he has done a lot of more. He has built like 70-80 websites using Listing Pro, so he might be able to give you better advice to you. So I would highly recommend to take his advice as well. And yeah, next week he should be here. He had some situation at home, so he wasn't able to make it today. So I'm just
Mhm.
sort of taking over for him for this session. Yeah,
Okay.
hope that helps. Yeah. Anything else? Anything else I can advise you on?
Um, no, not really.
Okay. Yeah. I
I mean,
mean, you can.
yeah,
If anything, I'll be here. I'll try to take a few more questions from Jarek and
yeah. What's the cost for
Josephine.
the medical pro?
So we have 2 licenses for Medical Pro. There's one lifetime and one annual license. I
Mm-hmm,
believe the annual license is about $300, yeah, and the
mm-hmm,
lifetime is about, I believe it's $700 or $800, yeah. It's a very
mm-hmm.
comprehensive solution actually. It does more than just allow booking, appointment booking. It has a lot of advanced features that is only exclusive to Medical Pro. So yeah, I would recommend um, yeah, checking the website. And if you want me to go over that some of the features, I can. If you have more time, we'll try to go over some of the features. You can ask me more questions about that as well.
Okay, thank you.
Sure, yeah. I'll share a link here. Actually, it will uh, give you a good comparison between what's included in Listing Pro and what else. Give me a second. I'm gonna just drop it here in the uh, chat. Sorry. So it's Jarek and Alina. Sorry, Jarek and who else we have? Um,
Yeah, we're
Janet.
still
Yeah,
here.
yeah. You guys are
Jerry, are
here.
you there?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me know if you have any other questions while I am able to find some resources for Alina. No.
Okay. Uh, I'll check. Janet, you have a list of question also, right? So the number 3. Oh, so for the operating hours,
I'm sorry. What was that?
uh, okay, sorry. Wait.
Alina, I'm sharing a link here in the in the chat. You can see these guys also has a directory, a blog, and I believe few other things running, so they can check how they're doing it as well. I think they're using they have it all under one domain. I don't think they're separated. There is let's see who else. Sure. Okay. Are you going to share your screen, Jared, or
Okay, because I found a problem currently because our
okay,
company page is maybe we did something wrong on the settings because our company
okay.
page, all of our company page are showing this dummy page.
Ah, like the lorem ipsum content or what?
The listing page.
Oh, okay. Excuse.
This is live site or this
Live
is
set.
live site.
Mm.
Hmm.
Yeah. You can, if you're using, are you using Elementor
Mm.
or page?
Yes.
Yeah, I guess you can easily. Is it just one page or more?
All our company pages. You see the listing is yellow. This one is yellow pages. This one is the Elite Spring company.
Hmm.
The URL is correct, but the page, the content is different.
Oh, you mean like listing the business detail page? Is that what it's
Yeah.
showing? Just go to home page or the search result page, and if you click on it, yeah, click on the. Oh, okay. This when you click on this, it happens.
Yeah. This one.
Uh,
Previously, let me check on staging.
yeah, I would do a couple of things. Just uh, check your yeah. That's not, let me try on my end. Hold on. Yeah, go ahead. I mean, you can try that. Let me check.
It's supposed to show like this.
Sorry, what was that? Yeah. Okay. Let me see. Featured companies. Let's see. Popular. SEO. Let's see. Uh, are you using some sort of third-party plugin to structure your URLs?
No, we don't.
Okay. I would do a couple of things. You can just go to permalink and permalink settings and just save. Don't make any changes. Just save and then clear your WP Rocket cache as well as your CDN. And just let's try that. I'll be right.
Just save, right?
Yeah, just save and let's see what else do you have here.
And then clear cache.
Yeah, just clear the cache and also your CDN.
Still the same.
Weird. It says in the title, it says listing. It's taking to category title.
The URL is correct. As you can see on the staging, it's also listing slash and then the slug. But for some reason on live, it's showing this dummy contents.
When do you know last when you checked it was fine?
I think before our meeting, it's okay.
Okay, the only change
So
we did was turned on the CAPTCHA. So disable the CAPTCHA and let's see if that fixes. Because I don't know why that would matter, but let's just give it a shot because that's the only major change.
yeah, the CAPTCHA.
We also did the change on the search just now to enable title.
Yeah. Then we
Yeah,
disable.
yeah, let's just turn off the CAPTCHA. I think that's the, well, is it turned off now?
It's turned off now.
Oh, you just turned it off, or was it
No.
turned off?
No, I didn't turn it off. Wait, let me refresh.
That's weird. So when you went there, it was already turned off?
Yeah. Oh, it's on now.
Okay, yeah, just let's turn it off.
Okay, then save.
Yeah. We will do the same clear cache, clear. where are you guys hosting this website? Is this I mean
cPanel.
it's a virtual dedicated server. Is it a
Dedicated.
dedicated server? Is it oh, dedicated? Okay, very good. Yeah, we like CDN.
Sorry.
I'll be right. CDN. You CDN. Yeah, I'll be right back. Yeah, one.
Okay.
Jerry, you also turn off the search title, right?
But yeah, we turn it on. We turn it on, then we turn it off.
Strange, it didn't come back.
Still the same. Okay.
So still the same. Okay.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Okay. Strange. Give me. Is your staging site it's working on your staging site?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
This one.
Okay. Do me a favor. Do you have access to the help desk?
Um.
Help at yeah.
Actually, yeah. I'm trying to create an account,
Okay.
but
Yeah, I
sorry.
think it's probably under a different account. You guys have to. I mean, I would highly recommend you to find that other account because yeah, because right now I might be able to take a quick look, but we might need to create a support ticket for because it's a weekend. I want to try to see if I can help you guys out, but you definitely will need a account. So make sure you can find that.
Okay.
Meanwhile, you
Okay.
do that. I can also try to help you out here.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
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 All
All
right.
right, guys. Thank you so much. It was really nice chatting with you, and hope to see you guys next week as well.
We
Take care.
will. Okay.
Okay.
Thanks.
Bye.
Yeah. Bye.
Take care. Bye.